Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be making sheet pan kebab, Armenian style. First, we need the ingredients. We need olive oil, cumin, paprika, black pepper, salt, garlic, ground beef, onion, parsley. My mom really likes Trader Joe's. Safety first. First, we're gonna cut parsley. Boom! Next, we're gonna cut onion. Bam! Next, we're gonna crush the garlic. Bam! Now we're gonna put the beef in the bowl, just like this. Now we're gonna mix all the ingredients. Let's add the spices. Wait, I don't need this or more than you. So now we're gonna mix. So now we need a pan with parchment paper. Now we are going to drizzle olive oil so it doesn't stick. We're gonna put it in the pan. We are gonna spread it evenly on the pan. So now we're gonna preheat the oven to 400. Now it's in the oven. Now we gotta wait